Mirabel is the girl from Encanto that finds her superpower through being kind, listening to others, and forgiving. But how do we draw her? Let's find out. Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. Today's adventure will be exploring how to draw the one and only Mirabel. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to begin, this time not with her eyes, but we're going to actually begin with her glasses. Okay, so first things first, her glasses. We're going to try to do 2 circles. So first we're going to start with just one. One big circling around and connect. Awesome. And then we have the bridge that connects to the other glasses, or the other glass. Let's do it going up and over and almost at a slight upward angle. Awesome. Yep, just like that. Now from here where we stopped, we want to do another circle for the other glass. Great. And if you mess up, that's totally fine. We'll fix it later. So now what we want to do is to actually do her eye next. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a really round circle, but we're not going to complete it. We're going to stop. So we're going to do a nice round circle. Come around, make it round, and then stop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to connect these two, but with more of a line, but still slightly rounded. Just ever so slightly rounded. Perfect, looks good. Okay, and now let's make the rest of her eye. So she's got the black, at least the dark brown pupil, and there'll be a little white spot out here. So let's color that in. Awesome, that looks really good, guys. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the other eye. So this one, what we're going to do is we're going to do, again, the slight curved line. Slight curve line. Perfect. And then at the very edge of this corner, of this side of the line, another circle back around. Awesome, yep, just like that. Alright, and now for the black, dark brown pupil. Awesome. We'll put the white spot right up here. And then color it all in. I'm not gonna lie, I think I need to make this one a little bit bigger. A little bit more round. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's a little crazy, but hey, it looks good. So now onto her nose. And the bridge, we're actually gonna put another line. Another curve, just like that. Now for her nose, we're going to come here to the kind of where her real eye and her glasses meet up. And we're going to do a curve and then curl in. Curve. Curl in. Awesome. And same thing on this other side. Curve in. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, now onto our smile. First, we're going to just do a straight line for a smile. Then we're going to add a lip. It's going to come up and over and connect back down. Connect those two. And then we want to do the bottom. So this is her top lip. Now we're going to do the bottom lip. So we're going to just come down, do a normal smile. And connect back up. Now we're going to do her lip. So we're just going to do it right above. Make it thicker towards the middle. And make it disappear. Perfect. And smile. We'll just do a straight line. And then she's got a nice little, like dimple or something right there. Another one right there. Awesome. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's get the rest of her head real quick. Her head is also in a nice round shape. Round shape, but then it comes to kind of a point right about there, I'd say. So we're going to go around and touch her glasses, and then come back around to her chin. So let's go right here. Touch her glasses. And then to her chin. And then same thing on this other side. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Not bad. It might not be perfect, but we're not asking for perfection, so that's awesome. Okay, now let's get on to her eyebrows. So her eyebrows start, one's up here, kind of straight up from her glasses. A little curve. And then it kind of comes to a point right about here. So what we're going to do is in this top part, we're going to just go over and then down. Over and then down. And this one, over and then down and connect. Awesome. And we're going to color this one in. And now to do the other side. And we're actually going to stop it at her glasses. And stop. Stop. Awesome. Looking good, guys. Okay, let's get on to her hair, okay? Her hair is it's short and yet kind of poofy, kind of sticks out. So let's start right here. I'm going to do a curve in. And then a curve over, kind of like a big V. I'm going to do a little bump like that. A little bump like that. And then come down to a little curl. Then we're going to start right here in the middle of the curl. And come down into another curl. Come down into another curl. Come down. A little bump. Curl around. Okay, we're going to just pause real quick on the hair to get her neck. Her neck, we're going to just kind of come down at a little slope. Slope. Right there. Awesome. And then add a little round part. Gonna come up, over to the other side of her neck. Awesome. Yep, just like that. All right. Looking good. Looking good. All right, let's just do a little bit of a shoulder over here. Oh, no, on this side, we'll just do a little bit of a shoulder over here. Okay, looking good, guys. I love it. And then we'll just connect this down. Okay, here we go. This side, we're going to go down and then curl up. Down, curl up. Like a C, curl. C, the opposite direction. C, the opposite direction. Then C with a curl. And then we're going to do another curl. We're going to do a double curl. We're going to curl out and curl out. And let's just kind of finish this one off. Awesome. Okay. Let's keep adding those curls in her hair. Okay, awesome. And there we go. We got our hair pretty much. And we can add some details later too. You know, make these curls a little bit thicker. Because if you want, we can totally darken the hair all the way through. Now, this might not look exactly like her, and that's okay. We're just trying our best. Now we're going to do her sleeve. And then she's got a butterfly that's right here on her shoulder. So we're going to do a little U. Then we're going to do a curl this way. And then a curl that way. And then we're going to outline it. And go connect. Around and connect. Then we need the wings for the butterfly, of course. 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, and up. Perfect. That looks awesome, guys. Good work. Okay, we're just doing a little outline. And a little outline. Oh, that is looking so good. And then just a little festive thing on our shirt. Just a little design we're going to add right now. Little line cutting to the butterfly. And then a fun little festive wave. Awesome, looking good. Okay, well, let's just finish off with some details. Oh, my goodness, I forgot something. Ears. I totally forgot her ears. So for ears, we're just going to come around and do like a C. Then stop. She's got these earrings. We got like a little circle, then a big circle connects. Awesome. Here on this side though is just round and then stops. Little circle for the earring, big circle. Awesome. That looks great. All right. Let's keep going. So let's add in the details. She also has some really nice eyelashes. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 3 points to this eye. We're going to do a little point, point, point. Oh, and actually we're going to do 4 point. One more. Awesome. And we're going to color that in. And then try to blend it into the eye. Awesome. Okay, same thing on this side. We're going to do 4 of them. Let's do point, 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 point. Cool. Okay, color it in. Now we're going to try to blend it all in. Awesome, looking good. Then let's actually add a little bit more curl, especially at the top right here. Let's add a nice big curl, come up and over, then down, curl up and over, and connect. And then we're going to do one that connects over here, so we're going to do another one that comes up and over and connect. Oh, that looks so good. Then we'll just add another one over here, another little wavy. Awesome. Another little wavy is what I call that, huh? That's nice. And then really from here, that's about it. You can of course always add more details. You can add her hand coming up if you would like. You can just curl like that. And then that's her arm right there. And she could be holding a little butterfly or something like that. We're just doing some basic hands. Okay, and there's the butterfly. I mean, it's really basic and doesn't look the best, but you know what? Now we can just color in parts for dress. And this part's really up to you how much you would like to put into it. I'm going to just color her dress, and then maybe I'll thicken up her glasses a little bit. So I'll make this part nice and dark. Add another layer to her glasses, make them a little bit thicker. Oh man, look at that. That is awesome. Okay, then I might do her earrings. And there we go. We got Mirabel from Encanto. Of course, it's not perfect, and that's not the point of this, but just to get a nice, good, simple, easy sketch. Look how great that turned out. That is awesome. Well, guys, if you like this video, if you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to be able to get recommended more great videos of mine of how to draw different things from Sonic to Spider-Man, again to Mirabel. And we're going to have such a great time together. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.